Hello guys, I'm going to show you today how to do the calibration of the screen for TS10 multimedia device for the car. Okay, it's very simple. Let me show you first my device information. Maybe it will help you. It is TS10 4GB 32GB. Okay, and currently it run Android version 11. Okay, so what I do first, 5 fingers. Okay, keep the 5 fingers on his screen and press. Okay, then you will get the black screen with one like this cross icon. Touch it and touch, here again, here again, here again. Okay, the calibration is successful. So do you want to learn the key in the touch area? So this method works for only if you have any issue with software. There's any issue with hardware issue with the the screen, you cannot fix this one. This is only for the calibration. If any software issues, if you don't have proper touch, only those will resolve. Any hardware issues you cannot fix this method. Okay, this is just to screen calibration. Okay, and there's one more thing, you can reassign the orders. Like example, we have 5 touch keys here. By default, if you touch this one, the screen will off, and this one home, return, volume up, volume down. So you can change the orders of this. Example, if you now currently volume up, you can give another order like back. Okay, so this is home, so you can make it like power off button. You can change it. And if these keys are not working, you can reassign the orders. So how you do this one? Same way, you just need to press enter. Okay, once you press enter, okay, so you can see these are already assigned: power, home, back, and volume up, volume down. So what I do, I will first clear this one. Okay, sorry, first you go start, press start. Okay, then I will wait for click clear. All the orders are clear. Okay, when I select end. Now you can see this key will not work now, no more. In case like this, if you have any issues not working, this is the way. Okay, only this will work in the application. So again, you will go keep the 5 fingers on the screen. You will get this one, same thing. Okay, calibration done. Click enter. What you do now, you have to assign this key, this for this one: power, home, return, volume up, volume down. So how you do, press first start. Okay, and you see these are all reserved, there's no command. What you do first, click one of them, first one, go here, select which one you want. I want power. Okay, now power selected, select the button which one you want. Power, select the power. Second one, I want home key. So where's home? You select the home, press the home key. Third, I want return. You see return, back. So where's my back? Here, back. Now it's back, select the back. Okay, volume up, volume down next. Okay, select volume up, then up. So here volume down, down. Now all are assigned. So now you don't select return or home key, just want to do first end, press the end. Okay, then it will save, this command will save, otherwise it will not save. Then done. You can see it's worked. Volume up, volume down, all working fine. Home key, if you click this one, it will turn off. So this is